This is Justin Jamino from DragonBlogger.com, and I'm here setting up a brand new WordPress install real quickly with Hostgator. So I have a new website called ps4headsets.net, and I thought I'd record myself just going through the WordPress installer and some initial setup for a brand new WordPress sites. For anybody who's ever out there who wanted to think about going through a hosting provider and setting up their own WordPress site, I'll just go through the steps and the initial steps and show you what gets done. So here I'm in the Hostgator control panel, or the C panel, and I already have my domain registered, and MX records pointed to Hostgator from where my DNS name is hosted. I'll click on the WordPress installer here. And again, this is actually my first time setting up a WordPress installation with Hostgator. I've used other hosting providers, but this is my first time using them. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm walking through this for the first time. Here's my website, ps4headsets.net. I decided to do an affiliate niche site that's just dedicated to PS4 headsets, just to see how it performs. And I'm going to install WordPress at the root level. Click Next. This is going to be PS4 headsets. Admin user. Again, you never want to use the word admin here, so I'm going to type in what I would think is the admin user here, and I'll blur this out. First name and last name for the author, admin email, and I'll go ahead and keep all that together. Do you want to create a new database for this installation? Yes. You agree to the terms of service. Click Install Now. And then WordPress is installing. And of course, you'll see all the other packages you can get. But we're going to go ahead and do everything with free packages for now. So, installation details. Install to ps4headsets.net. Gives me my generic, my admin username, and sets me up with a generated password. I'll go to my site. And I'll go to wp-admin, see if it's up and running yet. And it is already that fast. Type in my admin name and my password. And what do you know? In seconds, literally seconds, I have a WordPress site set up. And you can see Jetpack's installed. I could visit the site to show you the default. It doesn't really even have a default post there. So if I go to posts and pages, let me see what we got here. It's just your Hello World stuff here. And basically, I'm at the point where I can start installing stuff. So first thing I usually do is I have my default set of plugins that I use. And then I play around with some themes. I don't really use most of the stuff that's you see here, so I'll just deactivate it all. And then remove it all. And then I'll install my plugins as I want next. So again, you see it needs a WordPress update right away, so I'm going to take care of that too and do the automated update. Since I have nothing to lose, I don't mind just doing an update now and not have to worry about any backup first, because there's nothing to lose if it would fail. And it updated WordPress. You can see there's a theme update for 2015 and 2014. I'll go ahead and up those as well. I'll return to the themes page and see which theme. It's currently on 2016 theme. You should remove the themes that you don't need just for security purposes. Only keep the theme that you want, or maybe some ones you're thinking of, test them out, and then remove and only have the theme that's primary, just to reduce the risk to your WordPress site by having extra themes. I'm going to do a second tutorial which will show you my plugins, my standard plugins, and then I'll show you all the plugins as I install them and set them up. And this will be a series that I'm doing on setting up a new WordPress site, and I'll show you basically how I build a new WordPress site and turn it into an affiliate site. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next part.